Mastering Conversational Idioms. Talk a mile a minute. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an exciting and vivid phrase that you might encounter in everyday English conversations. Talk a mile a minute. Understanding idioms like this one is crucial for becoming fluent in English, as they enrich your conversations and help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started and find out what it means to talk a mile a minute and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. When someone says that a person can talk a mile a minute, they mean that the person speaks very quickly. The imagery here is quite vivid. Imagine someone talking so fast that their words could cover a mile in just 1 minute. It's an exaggeration, of course, but it effectively conveys the idea of speaking at a high speed. This idiom is often used to describe someone who is either very excited, nervous, or just naturally speaks fast. It's not about the distance, but the speed of their speech. The phrase, talk a mile a minute, is a great example of hyperbolic language, which means it's an exaggeration used for effect. Idioms like this one are born out of the need to express a concept in a vivid and memorable way. While the exact origin of this phrase is not clear, it has been a part of English language for decades, painting a picture of speed and urgency in conversation. It taps into the universal concept of speed, making it relatable and understandable across different cultures. To truly grasp the meaning of talk a mile a minute, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. After drinking 3 cups of coffee, Maria was talking a mile a minute. Whenever he gets excited about his research, he starts talking a mile a minute, and it's hard to keep up. The first time I met her, she was nervous and talked a mile a minute. Now, she's much more relaxed. These examples show different situations where someone might speak very quickly, whether due to excitement, nervousness, or caffeine. Now that you understand what it means, you might be wondering how to use talk a mile a minute in your own conversations. This phrase is perfect for describing someone's speaking style or your own feeling in a lively and descriptive way. Remember, it's often used in a light-hearted or slightly amused context. For instance, you might say, "Sorry if I'm talking a mile a minute. I'm just really passionate about this topic." We hope you enjoyed exploring the meaning and usage of talk a mile a minute. Idioms like this one add color and personality to your conversations, allowing you to express yourself more vividly. Practice using this phrase in your English conversations, and you'll be talking like a native speaker in no time. Thanks for joining us, and see you in our next video.